Andrea e Silvia, siete venuti a contrarre matrimonio senza alcuna costrizione, in piena libertà e consapevoli del significato della vostra decisione?
Sì.
Sì.
Siete disposti, nella nuova via del matrimonio, ad amarvi e onorarvi l'un l'altro per tutta la vita?
Sì.
Sì.
On second thought, maybe you don't feel the same about it, but I'll try to find ways to ease the doubt and open up your eyes so you can see what I see. But until then, just get lost in love, lose all sense of doubt, and open up your eyes so you can see what I see. Oh, a happy ending to our wildest dreams, you and me. Until then, I'll have to wait all this time, waiting for the day you'll be mine. You'll make it all okay when you make up your mind. I know it's crazy, but you worth the waiting. Oh, oh, oh. Just open up your eyes so you can see what I see. What I see, oh.